Welcome to our guide on how to make a video call with someone on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To start a video call, begin by opening the Messages section on Twitter. Next, find and open the Direct Message DM chat for the username you wish to video call. Within the DM conversation, locate the camera icon and click on it to initiate a video call with the selected user. By clicking on the camera icon, you can engage in a face-to-face video call with the user in real time, fostering more personal and interactive communication. Video calls on Twitter offer a dynamic way to connect with others, allowing for visual communication and a more engaging conversation experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to make a video call with someone on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your interactions on Twitter by utilizing the video call feature to connect with others visually and create meaningful connections. Enjoy face-to-face conversations with your contacts through video calls on Twitter.